The Autopstenhoj Maestro 2.35 Premium is the perfect two-post lift developed for repair and maintenance, and is also the solution for lifting e-cars. The lift is set up asymmetrically so that vehicles can be positioned far backwards and the doors can be opened wider. The electromechanical two-post lift for the highest quality requests has a lifting capacity of 3.5 tons. The Maestro 2.35 Premium is based on the proven welded columns with tubes of the Maestro 2. Series and the Premium arm set. The lift is available with different configurations of telescopic swivel arms and a setup width of 3,250 to 3,500 millimeters. The unique column design provides outstanding stability and thus stands out from the competition with its slim and strong column. Due to the modification of the base plate and the new arrangement of the columns, the Maestro 2.35 Premium not only gains in drive-through width, but also scores with a minimum height of 70 millimeters. The Premium arm set is lower compared to its predecessor, allowing the vehicle to be picked up easily with enough distance to the underbody. Both the maximum working height of 2 meters and the CE stop can be adjusted to any individual working height, so that not only safe but also ergonomic working underneath the vehicle is possible. The Maestro 2.35 Premium is available with different portal heights and can thus be adapted to different ceiling heights. The internal arm locking system is a truly special feature and unique on the market. The particularly strong locking mechanism is protected against dirt and moisture, offering a high level of functional reliability. The cold rolled spindles and the nut sets, made of a special nylon alloy, ensure maximum safety with a long working life. The carriage on roller bearings ensures extremely low friction in the columns and thus contributes to low wear and low maintenance operation. This leads to smooth operation, less stress on the motors, minimized power consumption, and lower costs. The lift is driven by powerful motors, which lift smoothly and safely to the required height. The safety system stops the lift automatically when touching down on an obstacle. Electronic synchronization is monitored and controlled by an impulse comparison of the two columns during the entire lifting process. With the universal lifting area, the workstation can be used in many ways. For normal cars and vans, for sports cars, and of course, for e-cars. In case that lifting with the F-pads is no solution, we also offer wheel support devices. They can easily be exchanged against the classic F-pads and lift the car by taking it by the wheels, so the underbody remains freely accessible. Therefore, there is no need to invest in a standalone workplace for electric vehicles. You create a standard workplace for repair and maintenance, which can also be used for e-cars. The wide range of accessories offers solutions for any kind of lifting situation. The unique columns of the Maestro 2.35 Premium are the most stable on the market. In combination with the carriage on roller bearings, they are a guarantee for an extremely long working life.